Truck owners, listen up. It's October and your truck is about to get a serious upgrade. Are you ready to light up the night? For a limited time only, we're slashing prices on all of our custom LED grill lights. You heard that right, 20% off. Our LED grill lights are built tough and they're designed to withstand anything you throw at them. They're super bright, customizable colors, and their installation is so easy you can do it in your driveway. Don't sleep, this offer won't last forever. The clock is ticking and this is a limited time offer and will end soon. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your truck and save big at the same time. So head over to SickDieselGear.com now.